So guys, in this video, I will be showcasing you how to find out your hidden apps in the latest iOS 26 update. Now let's get started. Now in order to find out your hidden apps, you just need to scroll down towards the end where you find out the app library. Here, right at the bottom, you will find out the hidden app folder. Just tap on that and you will see that it is requiring Face ID, and if you have Face ID registered, then it will ask the Face ID, or if you have the passcode registered, then it will ask you for the passcode. Right now I have the Face ID registered, and if I try again with the Face ID, it will showcase all the hidden apps. Now I only have the Google Chrome and the Instagram available in here in the hidden folder. Now in order to unhide these particular application, you just need to press and hold on the application, and it will say don't require Face ID because I have Face ID registered. Just tap on that and it will scan your Face ID and unhide your app. As you can see, it is unhidden, and right now it is available in the suggestion box. Now as you can see, if I move back, I don't find the Instagram on my main screen. Now in order to add that, you just need to press and hold the Instagram app, and right here you will find out add to home screen button. Just tap on that. Now it's going to be added on your main screen. So guys, there is another method through which you can find out your hidden apps in your iPhone with iOS 26. You just need to go towards your settings, scroll all the way down at the bottom, you will find out the folder name apps. Just tap on that and then scroll again at the bottom, you will find out the hidden app folder. Tap on that and it will require Face ID or the passcode. Just enter the passcode or scan the Face ID, and here you will find out all the hidden apps which are going to be available. If you tap on the hidden apps, you will find out that there are going to be settings which you can change, but from here I cannot remove them or unhide them. So you will have to go back towards the app library, click over the hidden app folder, do the exact same thing which I have told you already. If you wanted to unhide it, just press and hold and click don't require passcode or face, and then it will be added back on your app library. Then if you press and hold and add to the home screen button, you can get it back again. So guys, that is how you can find your hidden apps on your iPhone on iOS 26. So guys, I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Please consider subscribing my channel for more amazing content that is going to be planned for this year. Thanks for watching. Peace.